What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I'm doing the intro in the car, cause I was gonna do it at the house, but my father-in-law was outside. Y'all see this video, man? This video about giving back. Like that's why I say I try to do that every month and all that. So we at the bank. Well, I'm at the bank. I'm at the bank, man, about to get this money out, cause it's man, I've been wanting to do this for my in-laws or whatever. Cause man, they some amazing people. They some amazing people, man. And they do so much, man. They done helped us out over the years and stuff. So they just like a little small token. And man, I'm gonna go get some money out, and we're gonna surprise them with it and all that. Cause they do a lot, man. I mean, I can't say enough. I can't stress enough how much they do. That's why we like to look out for them. That's why we look out for them and stuff. Like I said, but if you watch the vlog, you know that we all stay together. They stay with us and stuff. So we all like to look out for them and let them just take it easy. Let them take it easy, man. Take over the load and just do everything or whatever. So we're gonna surprise them today. So I'm finna go in here. Like I said, I was gonna do the intro at the house, but he was outside. He was outside doing something. So I was like, well, I can't talk about that right now. So I just said I'd do it in the bank parking lot. So I'm gonna go in here and grab that bread, and then we're gonna check back in, man. We should make their day today. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking back in. I made it back to the house. Had stopped by Lawless and all that. So y'all know, I'm gonna show y'all how much I'm about to give my in-laws. Oh, and look what I picked up. Picked up this old MacBook Pro, man. People be asking what I use. I just bought this yesterday. It was cool car. Calling me right now, man. I'm gonna hit him right in 5 minutes. But this a i9 MacBook. This is 13-inch. It ran like 2,500 and some change. I paid like 26 cause I got a dongle that expand to HDMI and all that, triple display mode. It was like 25, but I had to buy that cause my other machine, it was just time to update it. I use a Mac Pro desktop, and I could have bought another Mac Pro, but I was like, man, I don't need a $14,000 to $30,000 machine. That's what it would run. It's just, I mean, you get what you need for what you're doing. So this is an i9 processor, 1 terabyte solid state drive. Good card and all that. It's the 2019, I think. The new MacBook Pros, I started to get the M1 processor, but it's a dedicated Mac processor, and I mean it's some advantages, but I didn't want the M1, so I went with the i9. I could have bought the bigger screen, paid the extra money and bought the bigger screen, but that would have been pointless cause I'm gonna use this as a desktop machine. So I'm just using the computer basically, so I didn't need that. So get what you need for what you're trying to do and all of that. So I grabbed it yesterday, so should make my workflow go faster and stuff. Cause I got a Mac Pro that I changed up and all that myself and stuff. So but anyway, I got that. I was just showing y'all that cause people be asking what I use and stuff when it comes to editing equipment and all that, and I'll do a video about it later. But like I said, man, this what we went to the bank. I'm finna get this to my in-laws, man, cause like I said, they do so much. They just do so much, and they done did so much and all of that. So we want to get this to them. So and they should be surprised, like I'm doing it before I go in the house. But this what I took out today to give to them. So I'm finna give them all of this. Finna give them all of this right here. So $8,000, like $2,000 strap. I wanted 20s just to make it look more extreme, but you know, they still, man, they're gonna be shocked. They're gonna be shocked, man. They do a lot though, man. They do a lot. They do a lot. So took this out, gonna get this to them, man, cause they just, when somebody, you show somebody you appreciate them more than money, you know, which we do all the time. But like I told y'all at the beginning of the year, man, the people that been loyal and stayed down and just, you know, been around, man, gonna get blessed. And you know, that's all. It just feel better. It feel better giving than receiving. I always been like that. It's just a better feeling. If you ain't tried it, you need to try it, man. You feel so good. Like, it's a lot of people when they give this amount of money to people, even if they had it. It's a lot of people wouldn't do it. But when I say I'm a person that really don't value money, I really don't. I value my time more than anything. I don't value money, man. Like, some of the stuff I would do, people would be like, man, you crazy. I don't care about money. That's why I don't trip. Money ruin relationships. It ruin friendships. It brings out the worst in people, and it brings out the best in people too. It's just however you let it affect you. So, you know, it just, I don't value this, man. And just being able to do stuff like this for people you love and care about, man, it's an indescribable feeling. So, like I said, we're gonna give them the $8,000, man, and I don't know, we're gonna see how they react, man. We're gonna get their reaction. So when we turn back on, that's probably what we'll be doing. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all checking in, man. It's much later. Like I said, I'm just now getting back. I've been running around myself. So I see my father-in-law here too. So I had to catch both of them together. So I'm about to go ahead and go in the house and make it happen, man. I'm telling you, when I say they done did a lot for us, y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know, man. So I'm about to go in here and tell them to come in the kitchen. I'm finna go in here, man. I'm just gonna keep it rolling. Look at it. I told you I finna storm every time, man. We can't win. So I'm finna look. I think they already in here. So look, let me see. I think they already in here. Yep. He already, both of them in here. Kendra aunt, one of Kendra aunts in here too. So let me see what it do, y'all. I'm already in here. Look, I'm already in. All right.
Hey Justin, I think I passed you.
Oh yeah, I believe so. I was going to the store.
Oh, okay. But the camera, you going to the store? What you going?
Well, Miss Harris know when I got the camera on, it's for a reason.
Yeah.
It's for a reason. I finally called and I said, I told him, I was like, my father-in-law, he been running around all day, so I want to catch y'all together, y'all too. And I want to give something to y'all, cause y'all done did a lot for, you know, me and Kendra and stuff. And then, so I just wanted to, I've been wanting to do this for y'all, so I'm just give y'all this.
Look at that. Look at that.
Okay.
That's for you. How much is it? That's for you.
Just me?
Yeah, definitely you and Miss Harris.
That's for you.
Oh, okay. Then
Huh?
2,000. Don't have messengers.
Well, y'all know what? I want to give you something else too.
Oh. Then this a blessing.
Cause I remember a time like y'all. I needed a camera. My camera had went out and I couldn't afford it. And I wanted a Canon T3i was the time. And Kendra told them about it. And they just went and took it upon themselves and bought me a camera, y'all. So they did that back in the day, and y'all always supported me and stuff. So I want to give you something else too.
All right.
So like I said, me and Kendra, we really appreciate y'all a lot.
Yeah, this.
See you now.
Well, I want to give you something there too.
Wow. This a blessing.
But we really appreciate y'all a lot though. Like I want to do that though. I want to do that.
Justin, I know you appreciate that.
Yeah, we really appreciate them, y'all.
I
So
know you do.
when I close the video out, I'll tell y'all more. But I want to catch it on camera for everybody. So I hope it push y'all to do something for the people y'all love. So I hope it push y'all to do something too.
Okay.
So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man, checking in. So everything went good, man. That's a good. Hey, glad to see people happy, man. Make their day, all of that. Like I said, they're just a little small token, like to just show appreciation. And like I was telling y'all earlier, man, we do a lot for them anyway. Just ain't even on camera or whatever. That's why I said we all live together, and you know we just take care of everything. Really, we take care of everything. And then we were trying. We really told. We went ahead and told her daddy to retire. We told him to retire, like, and he did, and we got it, and it just they turn. That's how it's supposed to be. Your parents start taking care of you, and then you take care of them. The soon as you able, the better. Not necessarily when they get old to where they can't move. And you crank up. Get old to where they can't move. If you get blessed financially or you get straight before then, you do it before then. Take care of not only them, but the people that looked out for you, and they. Man, when I was doing this stuff, the YouTube stuff and all that, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to just keep it all the way real with y'all. It wasn't a whole lot of people that really supported like that. Whether it was family or not. It wasn't a whole lot of people that believed in my dream. So, what you got going on? She's fighting over here. But it wasn't a whole lot of people that really supported. And man, they ain't never doubt me. They ain't never doubt, like I said, that camera. I couldn't even afford that camera at the time. And man, I ain't even asked him. It was actually, I had a camera, my big bro, Old School King, Maud, man, had gave to me. He actually gave me 2 cameras. I done told this story plenty of times. Nice camera. He had gave to me. One of them, man, something started going on with it and all of that. And then the other one, I had got in a bind one time, man. I asked him if he wanted it back. He was like, you good? And man, I actually had to sell it. But all this, I'm telling y'all a sneak peek of a documentary. I had to sell it. So I ain't had no camera. I was filming on some little handheld device and the quality wasn't nothing. And I needed the camera. And the Canon Rebels had came out and people had found out the DSLR with a cheat code, the high quality video. And I wanted one. They were like $700. It was a Canon T3i at the time. They were like $700, man. I couldn't afford it. I just couldn't afford it at the time. So she told my in-laws about it, man. How about they got the camera for me? They got the camera for me, and man, I turned up with it and this and that, and then it just started, you know, we just started going. But like I said, man, we wanted to do that. It's just a small token of appreciation and all of that, like. But it just, man, we're gonna always do stuff for them. We're gonna always do stuff for them besides money and all that. Like, we just gonna always do stuff. Like, that's why we went to vacation, man. We took everybody. Like, I took them, everybody, this and that. And I believe in looking out for the people that really supported and believed in you, man. Cause when you chasing your dream, it ain't gonna be many people that really stand behind you or wholeheartedly believe in you, 100%. So when you got people that do, you got to show them you appreciate them when the time come and all that. So that's what this was, and I like putting it on camera. I like putting it on camera to show y'all, cause I want to move other people to do the same for the people they love and care about. I wanted to move somebody else to be able to do something. It ain't got to be this. It ain't got to be this at all, man. It ain't got to be that big, but do something to show somebody you appreciate them, man. Especially if they standing behind you, and they believe in you. Cause everybody not. Some of the people you want to believe in you, they not gonna believe in you. So when you get that and some loyalty, man, you show people you appreciate them when it's time. So, boy, I just seen a mean lightning bolt. So that's my cue to get in the car, cause we finna go pick up some stuff for the new computer to get the desk, all that stuff set up and all that. So that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later.